So after the December update was released to the Pixel phones, I decided to check how the battery life is going to be on my Pixel 6. So in case maybe you want to know the battery life of the Pixel 6, whether you are considering to get one, this is actually a very good video for you. So let's check out whatever the battery life was after the update. So it's been about 15 hours since I charged my phone, and then in this video we are going to see how the phone has actually performed after we charged it, after we got the December update. So this is the battery percentage I'm left with, that is 6% right here, and I'm going to go straight to my battery usage and we are going to see how I have charged it. So you can see right here the steep right here that shows how I've used my phone, and it's quite cool because I removed my phone from charge at 8 a.m. in the morning today, and then it's now 11:37, which is more like 15 hours since I charged this phone right here. So you can see right here my WhatsApp took 3 hours 53 minutes and also took 26% of my battery, and that is pretty much cool. And then TikTok took 1 hour 40 minutes with taking 5% of my battery, and then Snapchat 28 minutes 3% of my battery, and then call took 1 hour, that is 2%, and then Chrome also took 15 minutes, and YouTube, that was very marvelous. I don't know if it's because YouTube is a Google app or something and this phone is a Google phone, so it's probably optimized to it. 2 hours, and then it just took 1%, and then camera just took 1%, and then Google search also took 13 hours and then just 1%. So the Pixel launcher also took 13 hours and then 1%. And then when we go right here, that is the system usage since last charge, and you can see right here, so you can see mobile network took 1 hour, that was 13%. Definitely mobile network is actually going to take battery life. And then the phone was idle, and then it took 11%. So initially we used to have problems with our phone sitting idle and then Pixel battery life being drained, but now I think it's something that has been sorted. So I think this is pretty much very cool. And then when you check right here, the screen time too was around 5 hours on screen time, that is my phone being used without me turning it off, 5 hours, and that is cool. So that took 8%, and that is not bad. And then Wi-Fi 2 hours 52 minutes and also took 4%, and that's not bad too. So the OS also took 4%, Android system 1%, UI 1%, and then ambient, that is the always on display, took 3 hours and then also 1%. So when you check out right here, my battery is sitting at 6%. When you check out right here, it means the battery life is not bad, because when you look at the steep slope right here, it can tell you how the battery life or the usage of the phone has been. So you can see when it started, I had 100% for a while, and then it's got to 90, and then it just came here, it just came to this side, which I was using my WhatsApp a little bit more. I even use other apps like Binance. When you check out right here, when I tap on it, you can see the apps I used. I used Gmail, I used Map, and then YouTube Studios, and all of them took some bit of data from my phone. So you can see from 10 to 12 I used WhatsApp, and then all these apps right here. And then when you check out right here, from 12 to 2 I used all these apps right here. So you can check, I used messages for 2 hours because I was texting with some couple of tech friends, so I'll use, and then it just took only 1%. So I'm sure Google apps are really optimized to the Pixel phones, and it doesn't really take much battery, because you can check out right the Chrome and then this, and then also YouTube Studios, it doesn't really take much battery. And then when you check out right here, that is 2 to 4, you can see right here I use my DSTV, and I use Keep Notes for just 2 minutes, and I use the Play Store, and then Gmail. I was actually having some conversations with someone, so I used Gmail very much today. And then you can see right here too, and that is pretty much very cool. So overall, I think the December updates has actually made the Pixel phone very great. So in case you're using a Pixel 6 or you are planning on getting the Pixel 6, just go for it, because the battery life is very great after December updates. And if you have a problems too after you updated your phone, just let us know in the comment section, in case maybe we can just compare on our devices and then know whatever we need to do or how we are going to be able to help you, because there are a lot of people who are going to come under this video and they might have a lot of ideas I probably don't have, and they will be able to just help you out in case you share with us whatever you are facing after the update. And that's pretty much very cool. And in case you missed my video on the December update too, I'm just going to leave it on the screen right here, and then also in the pinned comments of this video, so that you can just know whatever you need to know in case you've not yet updated your phone. And I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.